Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's begin the Nifty weekly analysis. We'll go over Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex just for a minute, and then we'll go over Bitcoin and gold as well. Okay. So before we start, first thing is, if last week's video was helpful to you, please consider hitting the like button. Additionally, I'll also be answering the questions a lot of you had sent over the last week. Now, before we do all that, let's discuss what the plan was last week, what was correct, what was not. Okay. So I remember telling you 25,000 will be a very strong support, and I don't see it breaking this week. Okay. So I had told you that. So that for me it's correct because my week only lasts till Thursday. ठीक है, तो थर्सडे तक 25,000 लेवल वाज हेल्ड. 25,001 is the level, lowest level where Nifty was in the last week. I'll show you the 15-minute chart also. वहां पे काफी अच्छा I think price action बना के it went up. So from that perspective that thing worked. What didn't work was I thought option premiums के हिसाब से इस week is going to be very like थोड़ा dangerous रह सकता है. I thought so that was not dangerous. It was again an easy week. So now what is happening? We have 3 weeks continuously very easy from an option selling perspective. And now this week we have a result. So मेरे दिमाग में तो I'm getting that thing कि if 3 are easy, probably it's going to be like difficult or something. But let's see, let's stick to price action. Okay, now for now. वो let me not say कि मुझे लग रहा है कि मुश्किल रहेगा या easy रहेगा. Most likely anyways it will go wrong because. So let's abandon that. Now what should we do? We'll first take a look at the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, what do we have? We have sort of a 3 black crows sort of a thing. So last week our logic was it's a bearish trade at a bullish location, so it can be tricky. We have closed even below the last week's low. Okay. Now keep in mind that whenever this current week's high is taken out 25 to 55, it will be the price action will be sort of it will come down and it's trying to go up, something like this. So this is a reversal kind of a thing. Okay, so keep in mind 25 to 55 level. Okay, now this is a bearish sign pakka because it's going below the breakout level, but now we are just going to see ki bullish kab hona hai. I told you weekly ke hisab se it's above 25 to 55. Also I think Reliance results are out today, and HDFC, ICICI ke I think results will be out of the weekend. So again it's very dangerous to hold any positions over the weekend. I've learned this the hard way. मेरा क्या है, I think one big flaw I have as a trader, I undermine the events. तो जो भी event रहता है ना, मुझे लगता है कुछ होगा नहीं. So what happens? I tend to lose then वो events के time पे. That is a big flaw. So now I'm like not going to trade only कोई event आया तो. That's why I think it's logical to avoid ऐसे Reliance वगैरह के results है, especially अगर during market if they're getting released. I think it's better to avoid. So from a weekly perspective, the price action seems bearish. We'll keep looking कि ये level weekly का जो breakout है, okay, so breakout candle के नीचे if it's closing, that will add more bearishness to us. So what's that level? 24,824. Okay, so इसके नीचे तो बहुत ही ज्यादा bearish हो जाएगा फिर, मतलब इसके नीचे if we get a candle closing. But anytime, okay, let's say even if I say कि bearish है, so whenever I say bearish, the market can always prove me wrong and go up. Okay, so if it does go up, we have levels where we know we are going to be wrong after that. So वो levels को ध्यान में, don't focus too much कि मैं bullish बोल रहा हूँ कि bearish. You should also focus on if I say bearish, मैं wrong कहाँ पे होगा. I'll tell you that level every week. ठीक है, so nothing from the weekly front. We just see it's some sort of a bearishness. Let's go on the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily front, what do we have? We have a lower low. First thing, we have a bearish candle. So from a daily perspective, this is definitely bearish, and we'll mark the resistance levels now. So the resistance level we have is, let's just go with simple 25,400 on the upside, 378 है, round off करके 400 लिख रहा हूँ, and नीचे में now let's say if it has to take a resistance, it should take at 25,000. तो 25,000 के ऊपर निकल रहा है तो ज्यादा बेरिश ऐड नहीं करना चाहिए पोजीशंस को. वी शुड ऐड 25 के नीचे जितना है, एंड यू कीप फाइंडिंग सम गुड कैंडल, then you should keep adding to your bearish trade if you have taken it. Most likely I think a lot of you would have avoided your trades I think this weekend. Now as per the daily chart, pakka what we have definitely a lower low. So lower low means bearish. No one can say ये bullish pattern है, ठीक है. So but what can we do? We can definitely say a level where we will go wrong. So if this is a lower low, what can we do? We can say 25,144 के ऊपर on a daily candle closing 25,144, we will rethink our stance and we'll look at the candle with which it's closing. Okay, अगर वो बहुत ही strong candle है 25,144 के ऊपर, then the logic probably can become then ki Reliance results, HDFC results, they came down to trap people, now they are going up. That can be a logic. Okay, So let's just see one more level. I'll tell you the resistance levels we've spoken about. Let's talk about the support. अभी market यहाँ पे ऊपर जा रहा था, कहाँ से घुमा है? So I can see 24,733 से घुमा है. So let's say if there's a gap down and 24,733 के आसपास, if it gives you some sort of a put selling trade with a good candle, अगर good candles if it's going up, which I told you last week near 25,000, for this week that level will become 24,700. So 24,700 to 750 के zone में, if we get a bearish kind of a candle, then I think our stance again, मतलब we should try to target OTM puts. Now what OTM puts? Let's say it's coming down. Two levels come to mind. First thing level is this 25,500. So any put below 25,500 mostly. If a safe put में you are getting premiums, let's say 24,000, this would be a good strike to gobble up. In case जैसे नीचे आके एक और कैंडल नीचे आता है अगर, तो what will happen? This is a strong support. तो strong support के एक दिन का doji का possibility is very high and reversal का possibility is very high. So what happens even if it's a doji, this 25,000 put should die quickly. ठीक है, so even one day you get it in your favor, you can make the put profit from there. So keep this in mind. नीचे अगर आएगा ना तो 24,000 आना unlikely है इस week में. So if that strike gets you good premiums, then you try to sell it. You try to sell it is wrong wording. I am going to try to sell it is the correct wording, by the way. Okay, disclaimer. And please consult your financial advisor. Now let's go to the 15-minute charts. So this was Friday. Okay, here we had a sort of a key rebounds आ सकता है इसमें view. ठीक है, तो और it can go down from 25,000 it can reverse. दो view थे अपने. ठीक है, so if it went up, our logic was we won't try to sell puts there because it can come down straight वहां से. And नीचे में our logic was if it comes down, if it gives a good candle. Now I think the best candle here after making a base is this green candle. In this green candle, I knew most likely the probability of a down move is very slim now because it's come at a good support, is waiting and is giving a good candle breakout. So, okay. So then after this candle, you should have been very open to sell puts and keep rolling them up throughout the week. Because iske baad what it's doing, it's again giving you a higher high and then it kept going again a higher high intraday also. Okay, so then you have to utilize that. Very easy week I would say from an option selling perspective because the premiums rarely spiked I think a week mein. Kafi acha week tha I would say for most people. Let's mark the support resistance of 15-minute time frame. 25,019 is a resistance. Okay. So what we need to be very careful. अगर इसके ऊपर प्राइस जा रहा है, just I would forget about selling calls as long as it's above this resistance level. Now if it does try to go there and then breaks the candle low again, okay, something sort of this, I will probably then try to initiate call sells again. So what levels can those be? One's resistance is this level 25,122. This is a very good resistance level because 2-3 touches आ गए इधर. 25,250 का zone. This is a great zone. 25,250. ठीक है? So this is these are good levels to sell calls at if you get bearish logics and bearish candles with good enough context. For support, what we'll do, we'll try to mark supports. So first thing is this gap down low. This was that I tend to forget what happened this day. Some global news was there, I think Trump related. So that was this 23rd June gap down. That day low I think we can mark as a support. I think another level which we can mark is probably this 24,750 level. So let's go on 15-minute charts अपने right side पे. So we are seeing कि यहाँ पे नीचे में there's a support zone. In this zone, look for strong candles, W, higher highs, bullish engulfing sort of thing. So यहाँ पे आने के बाद you can try to initiate or at least book your calls because a rebound may come, something like that. De-risk तो कर ही सकते हो ट्रेड को. See, let's look at Bank Nifty weekly chart. Bank Nifty has basically given a breakout and whenever it does fall to 54,000 also it will just be a resistance. Okay, resistance retest. तो नीचे भी आया तो भी मेरा व्यू ऊपर ही जाने का होगा. यहाँ पे अभी भी ऊपर ही जाने का होगा. वैसे as per the weekly candle we are getting an inside candle breakdown. So for very short term it's bearish. Okay, because inside candle has broken down. That's a bearish sign. The weekly candle is also bearish. So now in Bank Nifty, what do we have? We have sort of a support break. Okay, here now. Okay. Now the moment it goes above last day's high 56,700 के ऊपर, we can probably say that it has formed a base here and now it will try to go up. ऐसा assumption ले सकते हैं हम, okay? या तो if it's falling, let it fall. Let's say most likely a red candle can happen here. So I will try to think of a support near this 55,000 zone. 55,000 का level है ना यहाँ पे. If it does fall here, I will look for some W or something here to try to go long in Bank Nifty. This seems very good. ये soon it should go to 60,000. जब भी ये bullish sign बनाएगा weekly में 60k, 62k, Nikki keeps telling me 62k has to come in Bank Nifty. I trust her technicals quite a lot. So my personal aim is 62,000 आएगा Bank Nifty में. So we are planning for that. उसके हिसाब से basically future long जाने का है. And you have to try to make profits if the Bank Nifty comes down, or at least not have losses in futures. Okay, Sensex is again giving you a lower low and a bearish sign. Okay, Sensex now will probably only become bullish above this resistance zone of 82,800. 82,800 के ऊपर Sensex will become bullish again for me, which means I'm not giving that stupid lift analogy. What I'm saying is 82,800 के ऊपर I would be interested in going long here by selling puts or going future longs. तब तक I'm not interested. I don't think buyers will be interested either because it's making lower lows. ठीक है, अभी lower lows बना रहा है ये. So we need a higher high here. So higher high will become 82,800 के वहां पे ही. ठीक है, the support levels for Sensex are 81,200 and a good one, very good support will be 80,500. Okay, so note these levels in case it gaps down. 8500 मेरे हिसाब से काफी अच्छा सपोर्ट रहना चाहिए लॉजिकली. ओके, आई थिंक सेम लास्ट वीक का ड्रॉइंग इज स्टिल देयर इन बिटकॉइन, आई थिंक सो. So Bitcoin basically gave a breakout. Okay, this resistance ka very good trade for price action traders. It's consolidating now. One good thing we are waiting for in Bitcoin is if it comes down, then I'll tell you the zones. Okay, 110,000 के आसपास या तो 100 basically one. I think my net had gone, so let me just repeat. Basically in Bitcoin we had a resistance zone here. Okay, now it's gone up and it's consolidating, which is a good sign. If it consolidates for longer and then tries to go up again, then this would be an interesting move. Varna Bitcoin is very, very bullish. So what to do if a very bullish instrument is coming and testing its previous ATH, okay, which is 110. Okay, so if it comes and tests its previous ATH, which is 110,000 to 112,000, okay, तो यहाँ पे अगर आता है, then you should look for bullish opportunities. ठीक है, सो बिटकॉइन इफ इट फॉल्स, जब फॉल होगा तब मेरे हिसाब से आई वुड नॉट टेंड टू गेट स्कैर्ड हियर. दैट इज द प्रॉब्ली टाइम टू पिक अप बिटकॉइन थोड़ा थोड़ा करके. जो बाय द वे निफ्टी वगैरह में सिप करते हैं उनको तो बिटकॉइन में सिप करना चाहिए, आई थिंक सो, कि ये तो पक्का जाने वाला है. ओके, गोल्ड सेम ओल्ड स्टोरी, द डेली चार्ट वेटिंग फॉर कंसोलिडेशन, सो नथिंग टू ऐड देयर एब्सोल्युटली. लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट सम कमेंट्स नाउ. हाय, आई लव हाउ डिटेल्ड बोथ ऑफ यू ऑल आर विद योर POA and open to mention exact levels. I am beginning to sell options with a capital of 12 lakhs. Had a question regarding it. How should I select which options to target? Should they be according to the cost of the options, 20, 50, 100, or basis of ATM or OTM? Okay, never in your life, I think, as an option seller, you should sell ATM unless you have some system for that. Discretionary way में ATM नहीं बेचने चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. Used to be an option buyer, hence conflict in making a choice. Okay. There's no correct answer here. You should never say, if option selling was that easy कि you always take a 20 rupee option and then just try to manage it or make money. I think कोई दिमाग लगाता ही नहीं था, कोई price action study करता ही नहीं था. So I think you need a combo of multiple things. For example, price action के हिसाब से you should know when is the correct time to bet. आजकल तो that also tends to fail. So you need to add more layers उसमें भी. Layers and filters की this trade has a very high probability of winning because, and then you can have 4-5 criteria कि look सब कुछ correct है and then then you take a trade sort of thing. So this is you are asking me a very broad question जिसका answer easily दे नहीं सकते. Whatever answer I give, I won't do justice to you properly within 30 seconds or 1 minute. So बहुत, I think option selling, if you try to do it, of course it's better than option buying, but the amount of work you'll have to do, especially now, it will be too much focus you'll have to put on risk management, to journal and to backtest quite a bit. क्योंकि lot of things they tend to fail. Okay, the intraday, the big candles, अभी कितने, most of them fail ही होते हैं वो. पहले almost all of them used to work. So अभी मुझे काफी context लगाना पड़ता है वो कि ये वाला क्यों नहीं लेता था मैं और ये क्यों लेता था मैं. उस पे आई हैव टू वर्क क्वाइट अ बिट. सो आई थिंक यू शुड नेवर सेल एज पर द कॉस्ट ऑफ द ऑप्शन. यू शुड हैव अ जनरल क्राइटेरिया कि इफ आई एम गेटिंग एवरीथिंग आई डिजायर, ठीक है, अगर खेलना है, अगर सिर्फ सेटअप है, उसके लिए आप रख सकते हो कि मैं फिक्स मारूंगा 30 रुपीज का ऑप्शन निफ्टी में का, फॉर एग्जाम्पल. देन यू कैन ऑल्सो से कि अगर कंफ्यूजिंग है तो मैं कम का ही बेचूंगा. दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन डू, बट विद वन लॉजिक ओनली यू कांट गो. Superb video. I feel very scared selling put options overnight and want to get over it. What is the thought process I should have to start selling far OTMs? If you're that scared, then उसके पीछे का buy करना put, but उससे कुछ बनेगा नहीं. And people who tend to get too much scared of overnight, they very rarely I think I've seen people do good in option selling. They don't do well in option selling. मतलब overnight risk लेना ही पड़ेगा because they are taking that risk to get some rewards. Also, if you can't get over your fears of selling your put options overnight, okay, then you're not taking risk, so you have to settle for a low reward also. Then ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप put कभी बेचोगे ही नहीं and आपको reward भी मतलब top reward आएगा. मुझे नहीं लगता वैसे possible है. Sir, 25,700 and 24,200 are worth it to take risk selling overnight because they have no premium. What grammar is this? I don't know, but why mutual fund is not a safer options instead of taking this very small premium sell? Your logic of them being small is absolutely incorrect. I'll tell you the mathematics behind it. See, I'll tell you 2-3 things which will give you some perspective as to why these so confident जो people रहते हैं, they are bullshitters. I'll tell you. First thing, okay, you can't predict anything. Okay, सबसे पहले तो बहुत rarely can you predict. What we are doing, price action के हिसाब से we are just trying to get a probability. ऐसे fix नहीं बोल सकते कुछ भी. Now 25 rupees makes you a percent, ठीक है. अभी you think अभी वो 4% वाला माहौल है क्या पर पंथ बनाने वाला जो पहले था? Most likely I think 95% would say कि नहीं है. तो आपका already पूरे हफ्ते में 25 के नीचे बनेगा most weeks में, and very few weeks में when you get an easy ball, उस time you can probably वो weeks easy वाले weeks में you can even go and make 40-50 points also. But every week आपका 25 बनना मेरे हिसाब से मुश्किल है. And I probably can be wrong also with my limited understanding. I think the premium which I had given last week, जो इतना मुझे याद है, वो call should be I think $8. The put should be around $5. Okay, rupees, 8 rupees and 5 rupees. So इसका combined है 12 to 13 rupees. This basically will give you 0.5%. 0.5% translates to 26%. With GSEC you can make 32%. ठीक है, तो दिस इज ऑप्शन सेलिंग ओनली. इसमें कुछ अगर कोलैटरल में ज्यादा रिटर्न बनाए आपने वो नहीं गिन रहे, आप अगर फ्यूचर से बना रहे वो भी नहीं गिन रहे इसमें. ठीक है, जिसको भी ये रिटर्न खराब लग रहा है, आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस कि व्हाट रिटर्न्स यू गाइस मेक, बिकॉज मैं तो सी आई नो आई एम मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉफिट बिकॉज माई टैक्स I'm paying almost $1 crore every year now. Okay, so I know what I'm doing has to be correct because the way I've scaled up, very less people have scaled up since I've come into trading. Okay, so I've seen a lot of people, they claim ultra high ROIs, but I don't see them anymore. I used to always think when I was new, when I was a very young guy इसमें trading में, I had some competitors कि मुझे इससे अच्छा करना है, इससे अच्छा करना है, उससे अच्छा करना है. I think I've beaten everyone whom I thought as a competitor. I think I'm doing better than them as of now. But these very high ROI expectations, no one can take care of it uspe. Or you might be a genius and you're just way better brain wise than me. That also is very easily possible, by the way. तो आई डोंट अग्री है कि लो प्रीमियम है वगैरह म्यूचुअल फंड में करना है. म्यूचुअल फंड में अगर कुछ आपको लग रहा है म्यूचुअल फंड में इजी रिटर्न आएगा, वो क्यों लग रहा है, आई टेल यू. दिस सिप वगैरह जो म्यूचुअल फंड वगैरह है ना, यू लुक एट निफ्टी, इट्स ओनली गिविंग ग्रीन कैंडल. ठीक है, ये जब नीचे आएगा ना, अगर आया तो मतलब लॉट ऑफ दीज पीपल दे विल गेट डिस्ट्रॉयड. ऑप्शन सेलिंग में कैसा है, यू डोंट नीड द मार्केट टू गो अप कम डाउन वैसे कुछ. ठीक है, म्यूचुअल फंड में कैसे अगर ये जो हुआ है वही वापस हुआ तो यू विल मेक गुड रिटर्न. बराबर, जैसे लास्ट 10 कैंडल्स आर ग्रीन, द नेक्स्ट 10 कैंडल्स आल्सो इफ दे आर ग्रीन, देन ओनली यू आर गोइंग टू मेक अ वेरी गुड रिटर्न, राइट? अदरवाइज यू विल मेक वेरी लो रिटर्न. सो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद म्यूचुअल फंड. ऑप्शन सेलिंग में इफ इट गोज डाउन, इफ इट क्रैशेस, स्टिल यू कैन मेक मनी. दैट्स द बेनिफिट. माय फेवरेट थिंग टू डू इज ऑप्शन सेलिंग. इनफैक्ट I respect, even if one day I might make more money in futures, it's very much possible, but I will still love option selling the most, because what will happen, sometimes whenever you have a loss, for example futures trade मैंने लिया, for example I lose 50 lakhs in this, okay, 50 lakh, so this 50 lakh का confidence will be shattered, right, because ये drawdown हुआ मेरा, so that 50 lakh I think I will slowly recoup from option selling, but मुझे बाकी कोई चीज में उतना confidence है ही नहीं that can recover my capital and give me some profit, so I really respect option selling a lot and I hope a lot of you ऐसा डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं करना है कोई भी प्रीमियम को, बिकॉज आप आपका वो पीएनएल खोल के देखना, आपका वो कंसिस्टेंटली ईयर ऑन ईयर बन रहा है क्या पहले उतना, जब तक वो नहीं बन रहा है ऐसे ये सब थॉट्स लाने नहीं है. ओके आदित्य एंड निकिता, ग्रेट वर्क विद द वीडियोस एज ऑलवेज, स्पेशली आदित्य फॉर गिविंग दोस टिडबिट्स अबाउट योर ट्रेडिंग स्टाइल. ओके सम पीपल मे फाइंड योर फ्रैंकनेस अ बिट टू हार्श बट आई जस्ट लव इट. like what frankness, I'm very curious, like what am I harsh about? मुझे तो लगता है I'm normal only, like whatever is there I'm telling you straight up. Okay, I don't think I'm being particularly harsh. मेरे हिसाब से तो अगर कुछ है ऐसा तो मुझे बताना वैसे. I would like to know. Need some tough talk for repeat offenders like me. Okay, don't worry. Anyways, I love to give ज्ञान anyway. वो एक्चुअली मेरे को इतने, मैं बुक्स वगैरह पढ़ता हूँ ना, आई कंज्यूम लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट. मैं वो वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम आई वॉच मोस्टली, बहुत पॉडकास्ट में देखता, फॉरेनर्स के स्पेशली, बिकॉज वो दे आर वेरीफाइड नो, एंड देन यू want to see what the people your age are doing. अभी जिसको देखना है वो स्टीफन डक्स को देखो फॉर एग्जांपल, एक दिन में 10 मिलियन कमाया वो, मेरे एज का लड़का है वो, यूएस का स्टीफन डक्स, ही मेड 10 मिलियन डॉलर्स इन अ डे, इट्स लाइक 80 करोड़ आई थिंक सो, एक दिन में. मतलब सही है, कमाल है फिर. तो आई कंज्यूम, तो मुझे लगता है कि आई एम द ओनली वन कंज्यूमिंग दिस, कोई और क्यों नहीं कर रहा है तो मुझे, सो देन आई टेंड टू गिव दैट नॉलेज टू अदर्स. पीपल डोंट लाइक इट बाय द वे. I highly appreciate AL's weekly analysis. Who's L? Anyways, I have a question. Market is to be driven by earnings and Trump by more than technicals this week. Certainly, it will be a difficult week ahead. Both me and you are wrong about this. It was an ultra easy week, by the way. And we don't know it will be driven by Trump or technicals. Most likely, it will be driven by Trump if he gets something new. क्योंकि कितना भी बैक टेस्ट हम कर लेना, we don't know अगर वो कल जाके if he is going to, let's say, जैसे बिटकॉइन अगर बैन करेगा तो बिटकॉइन क्रैश होगा ही ना पक्का, तो उसके लिए प्लानिंग कैसे करेंगे हम. If someone were to sell a 20 rupee option, their return would be 1% a week. So do we go full capital, full, always full, and sell a 20 rupee option to make 4% a month? Otherwise the return gets very low selling 20 rupee option with a percentage of capital. Considering a performance last year of 94%, how can we aim to achieve half of it by selling such cheap 20, 10, 15 rupee option? My performance last year is not 94%. I think you are either confusing me with Aditya Trivedi, who got this return 2 or 3 years ago, or you are confusing, I had written a thread on VVV stock analyst, that guy, you are confusing me with that. But to answer your question, you should always sell full capital, वरना रिटर्न आएगा कैसे? अगर आप कितना भी प्रीमियम बेचोगे पर बेचोगे ही 5-10%, 20% ऑफ योर कैपिटल, हाउ विल यू मेक मनी? सो मनी बनाने के लिए मनी तो डालना पड़ेगा ना लाइन पे. तो ऑलवेज सेल हायर रिटर्न. कैन यू ऐड सम कंटेंट ऑन रिस्क मैनेजमेंट इन योर वीडियो? आई थिंक आई मेड वीडियोस इस पे. एग्जैक्टली व्हाट, लेट मी नो इन द, ये इस वीडियो के नीचे लेट मी नो एग्जैक्टली ऑन रिस्क मैनेजमेंट व्हाट यू वांट, सो आई विल कवर दैट. दिस इज टू ब्रॉड, मतलब रिस्क मैनेजमेंट इन व्हाट कॉन्टेक्स्ट? इवेंट वाला रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, रोज का रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, expiry day का risk management, or like what else, futures का, very different. I think that's about it. I think mostly whichever question I found interesting, and the other ones I think I already answered them पहले, that's why I didn't answer them again. So let me know if you have any queries. Reliance के results were there, they were pretty good का I don't know, but SGX is kind of flat. It's Gift Nifty, sorry. So let's see how the market opens. Price action suggests bearishness, so let's keep that for next Monday को देखते हैं क्या होता है. So if you like this video, if this was helpful to you, please hit the like button and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.